You see, the YouTube algorithm loves videos that are both valuable and high quality. The better your video, the more likely it is to go viral. I've been getting a lot of questions about how I edit my videos, so today, I'm going to show you exactly how I do it using CapCut, an easy yet powerful tool. In part 1, we covered planning, research, and scripting using some amazing AI tools. If you missed it, don't worry, I'll link to it at the end of this video. Now, we're going to talk about voiceovers, visual elements, and the full editing process that can turn a good video into a viral one. Trust me, you'll want to stay till the end because I'm sharing tips that could save you a lot of time when editing, make your videos look professional, and get more views.
Let's go get it.
But before we jump in, let's talk about one of the key reasons why MrBeast is so successful on YouTube. Sure, his content is top-notch, but did you know that one of his secrets to success is translating his videos into multiple languages? This simple strategy has allowed him to reach millions of viewers worldwide who don't speak English. Now, today's video is sponsored by VMEG, a tool that makes it easy to translate your videos from English into any other language, just like MrBeast. Imagine doing the same for your channel. Plus, VMEG offers features like AI marketing, voiceovers, automatic video subtitles, and video effects to enhance the quality of your content. Simply click on Try for free, and click on Video Translation. Select the language you want to translate your video. Check out this short video.
If you don't like spending money but still want pro voiceovers, then keep watching.
I translated it into Spanish.
Si no te gusta gastar dinero pero aún así quieres voces profesionales, entonces sigue atento.
You can try VMEG for free today. I've pasted the link to their website in the description below. Now, let's talk about the voiceover. You've got two options here. You can either record your own voice or use AI-generated voiceovers. I recommend 11 Labs if you're going the AI route. They've got a ton of voices that fit every style. But me? I use Microsoft Clipchamp. You can either download the app or use it directly from their website. Simply click on Text-to-Speech, paste your script, and select the voice that best suits your video. Here's how it works. Let's add a sample voiceover to this video. Listen to how it sounds.
If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. By doing so, you're not just helping this channel grow, but you're also making sure others can benefit from these valuable content.
And if you like it, export it as an MP4. We will come back to it in a bit. Now we move on to the visuals. Your visuals need to be appealing and engaging to enhance your storytelling. I'm talking icons, stock videos, images, green screen videos, memes, and stickers. These elements make your video pop. There are a ton of free websites where you can get these assets. For PNG files, hit up FreePic. For stock footages, check out Pexels, Pixabay, and Mixkit, just to mention a few. Now, gathering all these materials can take time. But here's a hack. I get most of my visual elements all from one website, which is so popular yet not celebrated. I can bet $100 you know this website, but it never crossed your mind that you can get a lot from it. I get them from Pinterest.
What?
You heard me right. It's a huge time saver. You can find everything you need for your video there, from images to video clips, to motion backgrounds, memes, PNGs, stickers, emojis, and even thumbnail ideas. Amazing, right?
That is awesome.
If you found this tip helpful, drop a comment below with your favorite Pinterest find, or just say game changer. I'd love to hear what you're discovering. Sometimes, you might need to create specific elements yourself to make your content visually unique. In my last video, for example, I used Canva to design an infographic on a green background highlighting the 6 strategies. I also created the 3rd strategy separately to lay emphasis. Since we're talking Canva, I even made my thumbnail using Canva. Once you've got all your visual elements, it's time to move on to editing the video. Let's start editing. First, we'll extract the audio from the voiceover video and delete the video part. So we're left with just the audio. Remove long pauses from the audio. Import your visuals into CapCut. Now, let's add those visuals we talked about earlier. Very important strategies, and the third strategy is the most important because Here's a pro tip. Animate your still images, add transitions, and use elements like stickers and arrows to emphasize an object or subject. This keeps your viewers engaged and makes your content dynamic. But we're not done yet. 2 more things: sound effects and background music. Sound effects make your video more engaging, and background music gives it that polished feel. Finally, we'll export the video. Now you know how to edit a video just like I do. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content that'll help you take your YouTube game to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.